What is up, guys? My name is Hassan and welcome back, everyone. So today I'm going to give you guys my monthly dividend portfolio update of my M1 Finance portfolio. You guys can see that currently I have $7,200. As also you guys know that I'm a long-term investor where I track how much monthly dividend I receive month after month. And I'm going to take you guys to this chart. This is the chart that how I track my dividends. And in a bit, I'm going to be talking or going a little bit more in depth and breaking this down. And the reason why I invest is for my monthly income. My goal one day is to live off these dividends that you guys see right here, and or at least supplement my income using my M1 and Robinhood portfolio with my day job. So as always, before I continue, I have to give you guys a quick disclaimer. You guys can see that I'm not a financial advisor, nor do I know your financial situation, nor I'm not a financial advisor or a scholar who determines if a company is halal or haram. And my suggestions are only suggestions. That does not mean you go out and buy these stocks. It is just a place for you to start your own due diligence. And remember, we shouldn't randomly follow anybody on YouTube and while we invest our hard-earned money. So at the end of the day, make sure you guys are holding yourself accountable for every decision you guys make. So let's get started. So we're going to take you guys to my M1 Finance portfolio. In a bit, I'm going to show you guys the holdings that I have in my company. All right, so currently I have my one day, which is a little bit taking. I'm down about 1.9% for the week. You can see that I'm also down about 3% here, or $251. And then for the month, I'm also down, which is about 1%. So every time I'm down, I'm actually averaging my cost basis and I'm buying more. And then let's take a look at it. The quarter. For the quarter over the last 3 months, you guys can see that I'm up $374 or 6.8%. And then we're going to take a look at 1 year. So 1 year is about 12% or $538. And then let's look at our all-time, which is about, this changes, so it's about 14% or $516. And this number that you guys see here, this $516 is including my capital appreciation and my dividends that I receive. So now I want to show you guys the dividend payments. Now I want to show you guys is the dividend payments I received for the month of December. So if we go to M1 Finance, we can see I clicked on activities and then I filtered it by dividend, and I get all my dividend payments that I received. So for the month of December, I received 19 dividend checks that was directly deposited into my account. You guys can see here there's about total of 17 dividend payments here, and 2 of them are from my day job, which gives us a total of 19. Most people here are obsessed about earning 2 to 4 paychecks a month, but with dividend investing, you can easily get paid up to 20 times a month. So let's quickly go through some of the companies I'm holding that paid me my dividend. So we'll start early on with December 2nd, because that's the earliest. So we got December 2nd, we got National Instrument, paid me 73 cents. And then Pfizer, I got $2. Honeywell, 90 cents. Johnson & Johnson, 148. Microsoft, 66 cents. And then I got 3M, about $3. Pambina, which pays me a monthly dividend. I'm receiving about, after the withholding tax that I pay to Canada. That's part of the agreement that we have, that every time we invest with Canada, they take 15% of our dividend. Same thing with any United States companies. For a Canadian person, if they were to invest in our company or anywhere around the world, depending on the treaty we have with them, they will cut. So I know for Canada, they also take about 15%. So after they take that, I get about $2.11. I also have another company, VET, Vermilion. It's an energy company, more like a pipeline company, that paid me $4.78. And this is the 72 cents is the withholding tax that they take. And then we got Lynn 58 cents, Contour Brands $2, Nvidia. Remember, these are all in the month of December. Constantly, every few days, I'm getting paid. It's like a paid that is being direct deposited into my account. And then I have VFC Corporation 6 cents, and then I got Waste Management and Skyworks Solution, Tapestry, and then I got Broadcom, and then I got Garmin, which about 93 cents. So this gives us a total of 17 dividend payments for the month of December. So now I want to take you guys to my monthly dividend chart that I use to track. So here, you guys can see this. It's my monthly dividend. So I'm going to go through some of the months. So August. So we got August here, $17, and then September $18, October $15, November $18, and then December, which has been biggest so far, $26. So all those 17 dividends that we saw, it adds up to about $26 per month. And remember, this is passive income, money that I did not have to work for. I just invested into these companies and I get paid just by being a owner. Another thing you guys can see is that overall my trend is up. So as the months continue, this trend should increase month after month. And I took the average of last 6 months. I'm getting paid about $18.36. So $18 or $20 for my M1 Finance portfolio. So now another thing I want to show you guys is my sheet 3, which shows us all the companies that I'm holding. And this is the monthly dividend. How much is each company going to be paying me for the year? So you can see that here, majority of my company dividend payments come from Pembina, VET, and MMP. These are almost all three of them are oil gas line pipeline company that pays me. VET and PBA pays me on a monthly basis. So this is how my M1 Finance cash flow looks like on a yearly basis. Another thing I do is, like, I have their ticker here and total payout that I'm going to get for the year. And if you look at it, if I were to add all these up for the year, I should receive $267 in dividends for one whole year. Last video that I did was about, I think last month, if I were to add up my total dividend in payment, it would be $238. And this month, for the month of December, is about or you can say December, January data, it's about $267, which is a 11% increase in my dividend payment, because I'm constantly adding money. I'm growing my account. Remember, my goal is to grow my dividend income, and that way I can supplement my income and maybe one day live off these dividends and retire early. And here I have the annual dividend. So the number of payments or the amount that I get paid. You can $179, $2. One thing that I want to point out is that one of the highest payments that I receive is from Broadcom, which pays me about $11.20 per share. So you can see the holdings, and I'm going to quickly take you guys over to my M1 Finance portfolio. Guys, if at this point, if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, hit the like button. It makes my channel grow. and reach more people quickly, and I can give back to the community, or at least give back to the investing community, because it's my 11th year investing. So make sure you subscribe, hit the like button, and let's continue. So 7,200 portfolio. I'm going to be quickly going through my holdings. So I got you guys can see I got Pambina, VET, 3M, MMP, Nvidia, Broadcom, Pfizer, Cisco, Johnson & Johnson. Another thing I want to point out that here is it shows you my target allocation, how I want 8%, 7%, 7%, 6%. Initially, as I continue to add more money, my goal is to have every single one of my company 5% or less, and that way it reduces my risk and I'm able to diversify more into the overall, have a better diversity. And I currently have about 28 companies, which I'm getting on a roughly about 4% in dividend yield. So again, I'm going to quickly go on to it. So Cisco, Johnson & Johnson, Honeywell, Activision, Waste Management, Packaging Corporation, check this out, PetMed, Microsoft, and then I got National Instrument, VF Corporation, Lynn, Emerson, Texas, Gentex. I got Garmin, American Software, Skyworks Solution. As another thing I want to point out is that as I go down the list, the amount of money I have in the holding is decreasing. So I got Contour Brand, GPC, Tapestry, Macy's, and then a new addition to my is Rio, which I'm already down 8%, which is actually good because this gives me an opportunity to buy more. As always, guys, make sure you guys subscribe, continue supporting the channel, hit the like button, share with your friends. As always, thank you. See you next time.